All right, here we are with workshop. So finish it out, most likely. Yesterday, the only notes I really took were on these, I believe they're heat map softwares. They're like Hotjar and something else, Mouseflow. And it was just, he just continued to do more of these live call walkthroughs. Why? Couldn't ask you why. All right, I'm gonna jump back into the video now, and I'll be back to your call in a little bit. All right, that's it. We've done it. We finished the video. Wrapping up again. Strategy is how you use your limited resources. You want to use your resources on the priority. How do you identify or you want to use your resources on the constraint? How do you identify the constraint? You got the Hormozi 6 framework, more metrics, market, model, money, and then manpower. And yeah, we want to also be creating compounding vehicles, network effects, reputation, brand, low churn, high retention, sales system that like builds on itself, kind of a sales network. Yeah, anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for the video. More to come from Hormozi stuff. I don't know what will come next, but that was it. We've just done like 11 and a half hours on this course or this workshop, so learned a lot. Already been implementing a lot of the stuff that I've been learning, and yeah, that's it, I guess. Talk to you in the next one. See ya.